This BRCOVAN motorcycle phone mount feels genuinely solid, using a reinforced composite body and strong internal springs that keep the phone steady even on rough pavement or gravel roads. The fork stem mounting system with an aluminum alloy base makes installation straightforward on a wide range of sport and touring bikes, as long as the stem tube diameter falls within the specified range. Its integrated vibration dampener and cushioned contact points do an impressive job of cutting down high-frequency buzz, which helps protect both the phone and its camera hardware over time. The cradle adjusts to fit modern smartphones with cases, so riders using larger devices still get a snug, rattle-free hold without needing to strip off protective covers. One-handed operation works well in practice, allowing the rider to lock in or release the phone quickly at stops, while the multi-angle swivel makes it easy to fine-tune viewing for navigation. As long as you take a moment to measure the stem depth and choose the correct spacer before mounting, the setup feels secure and confidence-inspiring even at highway speeds.